If you want to be happy, always have zero expectations of others. Never give up. It's on you. Only you are in charge of your happiness. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Tell no one about your plan. Level up in private. Take care of your body. Health is another form of wealth. Normalize working some paths alone because goals are personal. Don't waste your energy on fear. Use your energy to believe, create, and grow. Never ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. Don't listen to other people. Live a life that's empowering to you. Time heals everything. The only person you should try to beat is the person you were yesterday. Only you are in charge of your happiness. Life is short. Enjoy it while you have it. Sometimes you win. Sometimes you learn. It's not the length of life, but the depth of life. The price of freedom is simply choosing to be. Liberation is in the mind. Your mind is a very powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. The best view comes after the hardest climb. Share with your loved ones and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.